Well, as you can see, I got the poles in the back, tackle box in the trunk, music on. We're about to hit the water. Let's go. Well, guys, here we are. Bow! We are at Nancy's Ferry now. We made it. We didn't get the spot that we wanted. The spot that we wanted is back over there in the cut. But people are camping over there, I guess. So, this spot right here will do. I got my little trout rod set up down there. And I got a swim jig mixed with a swim bait. That's what I'm going to be using right here. I'm going to throw this. Hopefully it works. It's a little wacky setup here, but so I set up some power bait, some trout bait. Sierra Gold, Sierra, whatever. Anyway, floating trout bait. It's good. I just caught one, obviously. Well, not obviously, but unfortunately I did not get it on camera, which fucking sucks. But it's okay. Please don't fall. Dude. She is. Let's bring her up here. She swallowed the hook bad, so I had no choice but to keep her. So there's the first one. I didn't catch it on camera because I was trying to free up some space on my phone, and I missed the whole thing. So we are here at the house. There were so many people up at Nancy's Ferry, I just couldn't do with it. There's like 15 people in one little spot. Why were they all in one little spot? I don't know. There was boats, there was waiters, anyway. Plus I kept getting snagged, but I did catch one fish. Unfortunately, I did not catch it on camera. I was trying to free up some space out of my phone as the hook got hit. And but I have it. I had to keep her because she swallowed the whole hook, and I go to pull it out, and yeah, you guys get it. So I'm probably gonna cook her up today or tomorrow, one of them. I should cook her now. I'm pretty hungry, but we're gonna go inside, get some more gear, probably shower up, and get back to it, guys. I'm hoping to catch a fish on camera. Yeah, if you guys see my other videos, I personally didn't catch any of those fish, and I'm getting really butthurt about it. So I need to catch a fish today. No quitting until I catch a fish of my own. So stay tuned, guys. We'll be right back at it. All right, guys, we are here at Turkey Dam. I finally got over to this little spot, setting up right here, and we are going to take. If you come take a look over here, I like to get in this little still water right here. There's running water down there. And it's like making a little circle. So hopefully this is really deep over here. So let's get to it. I'm not sure what fish are in here, but I got it set up for striped bass. Just got a strike for largemouth bass set up. So we're just gonna dive right in. Let's go, anglers. Let me show you what I'm using. I just got this over there at the little bait store. Figured I'd buy one, something. Yeah. Represents a little minnow. So it's not bad. I got a bite on it. Like I said, I brung one up to the shore right here. Went up to the shore to the rocks. But I got a bite, so it's working. So here we are. We are leaving. It's too hot. And
whoa there, big fella.
Almost died. Falling down there would have been bad. But yeah, I'm out of here. It's too hot. You can see I'm just sweating so bad. But I didn't accomplish my goal. I didn't catch a fish yet. What's going on, guys? I told you we had a good surprise for you here in English Mountain Trout Farm and Grill. We're gonna do some fishing, and it should be easy. We were at Turkey Dam and Nancy's Ferry. I caught my own trout up at Nancy's Ferry, but I didn't catch anything at Turkey Dam. But if you come over here, we got this little restaurant. And you do it, and we cook. They cook it. You catch it, and they cook it. So we're gonna go and get bait on our hook. Here we are using a bamboo stick with some corn over here. So let's just throw it in the water. We're gonna catch nothing here either. You want to catch one? That one got it right through. I'm gonna bring some more. Nice. It's sad that I had to come here to a fish farm to catch a fish. But you know what? It was good. It felt good to catch a fish. Here we have right here, we have our 3 trout that we caught. So we're gonna let my fine gentleman over here at the English Trout Farm and Grill, baby. If you guys don't know, you guys need to come here. 3 good trout. We're gonna send them to the kitchen, get cooked and cleaned. they are cooking up the trout. As you see, we just got them all cleaned up, and they're about to put them in the fryer, get some french fries with it. It's very unhealthy because all that grease, so I'm gonna have heartburn, but it was well worth it. You see, it's definitely a good family outing place. So once again, I advise you guys to come check it out. It's the English Mountain Trout place. I keep trying to fall all over the place. Oh, English Mountain Trout Farm and Grill. It's good. So here we have it, guys. The trout all nice and fried and cooked up with the fries. We are about to devour this. It looks really good. So once again, shout out to the Mountain Grill View. These guys are awesome. If you don't know, you better get there. Thank you. Stay tuned, guys. Well, there you have it, guys. That is the English Mountain Trout Farm and Grill, baby. If you don't know, and now you know. Go check it out, man. I really advise you guys to go check it out. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and stay tuned for a whole lot more videos, baby.